with 15% higher returns than its benchmark, Tata Small Cap Fund's 5-year rolling return have been quite impressive. In fact, it has done better than Nippon India Small Cap, which is the largest small cap fund in India. So let's understand what's driving this outperformance. Number 1, aggressive small cap allocation. So usually the funds in this category have around 75% allocation to small cap stocks, while this fund has as high as 94% in some months. Second, finding hidden gems. Nearly 58% of the corpus of this fund is invested in stocks beyond Nifty 500. This shows fund managers' strong focus on finding these low-profile businesses that can deliver massive growth. And third, high conviction portfolio. Usually small cap funds have around 22% in their top 10 stocks, while this has 33%. And so when these investments pay off, the returns just take off. Well, all of these strategies are quite high risk. And yet, the fund continues to outperform the small cap index even during tough quarters. How? Probably because the fund manager has controlled the risk smartly by investing in debt-free businesses that have strong free cash flow. And these factors fueled good returns, followed by a massive investor interest. But with increasing AUM, it becomes difficult to maintain this high conviction portfolio. And hence, in 2023, this fund stopped accepting lump sum payments, which means that you can invest only via SIP today. Found this useful? Follow Power Up Money for all things mutual funds.